Painting a vaulted ceiling such as this one may seem like a daunting task, but with the right preparation and spray equipment, it's actually an easy DIY project that will make this room feel warmer and bigger. Here's what you'll need. First thing is to move everything out of the room and cover the floor with drop cloths. Shut off power to the room and remove or cover all the fixtures. Lightly wipe down the surface with a damp rag. For the smoothest application, you don't want to paint over any dust particles. Since the walls in this room are going to be painted later, we're not covering them, but we are masking all of the windows and trim. Now that the room is prepped, let's prepare to spray. We recommend you strain your paint to get rid of any dried sediment. Put on some latex gloves and squeeze out the excess paint. Discard the strainer and gloves. The ceiling's ready, the paint's ready, and now let's get ready to spray. Make sure you've read your sprayer's owner's manual. You've got a mask or respirator and safety glasses. We recommend practicing on a piece of cardboard. Keep the tip of the gun 12 inches from the surface. When spraying, overlap each stroke by 50%. Start each hand movement before triggering the gun. Release the trigger at the end of each spray pass. Keep the front of the gun perpendicular with the surface to maintain an even finish. Start at one corner of the ceiling and work in 3 to 4 foot sections that you can comfortably reach. Again, no need to be concerned with spraying the walls since they will be painted later, so spray right up to the edges. Cross-hatch each area to ensure complete coverage. If additional coats are necessary, repeat this process until your desired results are achieved. When the paint is dry, carefully remove all the tape, film, and coverings and reinstall the fixtures. That's it for the ceiling. On to the next project.